Yeah, the story really began about our talent. We're a highly mobile workforce. We rely on our talent to really expand our culture throughout every area that we operate in, and to be able to maintain a handle on who that key talent is, where they're willing to relocate, what skills they have, and what cultural diversity they could bring to a region. We really needed a system to start to be able to bring that together, so our senior executives to start to see who is the right person that we can put in the right place at the right time. It's an everyday conversation all companies have, but it really rung true for us as we went from a hotel company with 26 hotels to a hotel company with 93, with an anticipation in the next 5 years of adding up to 100 and 125 hotels. So we have rapid expansion, and we have to keep that conversation going. And in order to do that, we need technology as an enablement tool to be able to help us with that conversation. Yeah, so we knew that in order to be able to have another system like talent, that we needed that core master system of record. And we needed something that we could apply globally, that we could apply quickly, that we didn't need a lot of IT resources, we didn't have to have a lot of implementation at each location that we operate in. We have very small pockets of employees at each country that we operate in, so it doesn't always make sense to put a large ERP system in each of those countries with host servers, have IT resources, have people that are committed to populating the data in those systems, doing data maintenance, etc. So having a SaaS system or having something that's quickly deployed globally that we can turn on in any area and that can meet the needs and the localization requirements anywhere we operate was key to the success of having this kind of global HR system. So that's why Workday was very attractive for us, and at the end that's why we decided to go with Workday, because it was easily deployable and it was scalable to our business. Whether we had 5 people in a region or 500 people in the region, we were able to use it to its maximum capabilities. So. Yeah, the unexpected benefits was really just the availability of functionality that we didn't think we would have before, that we were able to take advantage of. We thought that what we got was kind of what we bought, and as it started to come on and as our users started to evolve with the system, they were able to be willing to take on more functionality, and we were really to deploy a lot more functionality than we thought we were going to. So we delved into where originally in scope we weren't going to turn on the benefit system. We decided to turn on benefits for a lot of our expatriates because the business demanded it. We weren't sure we were going to add mobile functionality to our users because we didn't provide devices to them, but our users demanded that. So there was this kind of organic uprising to say, we demand mobile, and we were able to turn it on without adding additional resources or customizing the software any further. It was already available functionality we were just able to take on. Yeah, it's interesting. The last time I was here at HR Tech, everybody was giving speeches about failed technology attempts and how to avoid the pitfalls of having a failed technology, and we were one of the speakers at that time. So it's interesting to start to see now how SaaS has really become just a common day word. People aren't wondering what is SaaS anymore. People aren't talking about how to avoid failed attempts. They've started to see people become more successful in it, and now the conversation is about how do we take not only technology to the next level, how do we take HR to the next level using technology as an enablement tool. So the conversation has changed dramatically within the last 5 years. So.